What are the 5 eligibility requirements for a T visa? Federal law allows certain survivors of severe human trafficking to seek T visa protection in the United States. A T visa can provide lawful status for up to 4 years, work authorization, and a path toward lawful permanent residence if additional requirements are met. The first requirement is proving that you were the victim of a severe form of trafficking in persons. Federal law recognizes both sex trafficking and labor trafficking under this standard. Sex trafficking involves a commercial sex act induced by force, fraud, or coercion, unless the victim was under 18 at the time. Labor trafficking involves force, fraud, or coercion used for involuntary servitude, peonage, debt bondage, or slavery. A person does not have to be moved across state lines or international borders to qualify. The second requirement is physical presence in the United States, American Samoa, the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands, or at a port of entry because of the trafficking. This means your presence must be connected to the trafficking experience, even if you later moved to another state like New York. The third requirement is compliance with reasonable requests from law enforcement related to detecting, investigating, or prosecuting trafficking. This requirement focuses on reasonable cooperation, not on whether anyone is arrested or convicted. A survivor under 18 when at least one trafficking act occurred is exempt from this cooperation requirement. A survivor may also be exempt if physical or psychological trauma makes cooperation impossible. One strong form of evidence is Form I-914, Supplement B, completed by a law enforcement officer, though it is not required. Other credible evidence can include police reports, court records, correspondence with investigators, and statements from victim advocates. The fourth requirement is showing extreme hardship involving unusual and severe harm if removed from the United States. USCIS may consider threats from a trafficker, lack of medical or mental health care, risk of re-trafficking, and the effect on dependent family members. General statements are usually not enough, so detailed personal declarations and country condition evidence can be important. The fifth requirement is admissibility to the United States, although some applicants may qualify for a waiver. Grounds of inadmissibility can include immigration violations, criminal history, unlawful presence, and health-related issues. Federal law provides a trafficking-specific waiver and a general non-immigrant waiver for certain T visa applicants. Applicants request a waiver by filing Form I-192 and presenting evidence that connects the inadmissibility issue to the trafficking experience. Because these cases are fact-specific, a lawyer can help identify the right evidence and explain how the requirements apply. An immigration attorney can also help prepare declarations, waiver materials, and supporting documentation for USCIS. For survivors facing these issues, a lawyer and an attorney at a law firm handling T visa matters can help build a stronger application. Shankar Associates PC is a law firm where attorney Rajat Shankar represents immigrants in T visa and other humanitarian immigration matters in New York. For guidance, contact Shankar Associates PC at 800-461-1467 or visit the office at 518 Plainview Road, Plainview, New York, 11803, United States.